Start the controller app on your smartphone. Tap and select Bluetooth and your appliance's ID will appear. Tap on the appliance ID you wish to connect to. The connection and loading processes will commence. Once connected, you will see BTE displayed on the controller of your appliance. You will see a chart icon between the cog and bell icon. Tap the chart icon to load the data set. Now tap the top right button with the 3 vertical dots and tap Export Data. The app will give you options to either send via email or share via. Give it a file name and tap the OK button. You will now need to disconnect by tapping on the top left menu button and tap Disconnect and Yes to exit.